Hello everyone, welcome to Monday afternoon. Been a while since I got dressed up. Trying to decide what to wear Sunday when we go and see Amber. Whether to have a long dress with a long zip, and my knee boots, or that dress, the shorter dress with either knee boots or thigh boots. I think it's going to be this one. I've got my hip pads on and the sound is fantastic, as you can no doubt hear. Trying out my new brown wig. Went for blue eyeshadow today. Probably will end up pink on Sunday, but I'm only pleased with myself. So what do you think? Do you like the outfit? Obviously give it a thumbs up, a share and a like. And I'll do a bit more creaking for you. It's very thick PVC. I'll take some video and I might go live later. Anyhow, we do an upload on the Shiny Girl channel. Don't forget to go and like, share and subscribe that one. I need to get the 500 subscribers quite quickly and people to view that one. So see you all there in a moment. Bye.